What makes the perfect Audi A7? I've just finished working on the latest version of the A7 Facelift. It's sportier and more high-tech than the current model. After spending hours on rendering and photoshopping, I've come up with what I think is the best version yet. I've mostly kept to the original A7 style, but if you look closer, you'll see plenty of tweaks. Perhaps the biggest change is the line that runs along the entire car. Especially beneficial to the design is the incorporation of a wave, which lends a more futuristic exterior. The car's hood is still the original A7, but I've moved up the grille a bit and narrowed it. I brought the lower bumper forward and added a new design piece. I changed the car's headlights, dividing them into a top and bottom part. Overall, these changes make the car look way more aggressive and sporty. I've also added a black decorative piece to the side skirt and upgraded the rear view mirror to a more stylish one. It also got an orange decorative element on its side. I wasn't sure about this element, but the car already got so much Photoshop that I decided to leave it on. Consider it as an optionally selectable design element. What I'm not a fan of in the current A7 model is its back end. I think the real standard was the 2014 A5 Sportback, so I decided to mix the design of the A5 with the RSQ8 Mansory design to create a new rear for the A7. This was the end result. It got a Mansory-style exhaust and a huge diffuser. This metal design element above the exhaust, which I perhaps have not seen on any car, looks particularly good. I modified the rear lights and recessed them a bit, and thus the car got a new arc and sportier rear end. I also extended the rear trunk spoiler. I'm really happy with how the rear end turned out. I think it has become incredibly beautiful. I created a few other versions that look more like the current A7's back end, but I just love the Mansory style, so I stuck with that. That's all for this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and tell me what kind of videos you'd like to see on the channel next. If you enjoyed it and want to see more fascinating content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, click on the notification bell so you never miss any of our mind-blowing creations. See you in the next episode of Auto Imagination.